Hello everyone, this is Anjali Wahingbam and you're watching Manu Live Top 20 News. Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman performed Bhumi Pujan of 120 megawatt Lower Kopili hydroelectric power plant at Longkhu in Dima Hasao district today. The price of petrol has been on the rise across several districts of Assam. The prices have gone past rupees 100 per litre mark across 10 districts: Dhemaji, Lakhimpur, Majli, Bishwanath, Nagaon, West Kabi Anglong, Dima Hasao, Udalguri, Karimganj and Kasar. Buoyed by the centre's plan to push oil palm cultivation in the northeast region, 3F Oil Palm's Managing Director and CEO Sanjay Goenka told that they were planning to expand its operations in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh with an investment of rupees 1,750 crore in the next 5 years. Manipur's Chief Minister N. Biren Singh inaugurated a medical oxygen plant of 500 litres per minute at Bishnupur District Hospital today, and he also inaugurated 50 litres per meter capacity PSA oxygen plant at 50-bedded hospital at Ningshinkun in Jiribam through video conference. He said that this is yet another step taken by the central government to strengthen the health infrastructure throughout the state. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb inaugurated a PSA oxygen plant of 900 litres per minute capacity funded under the PM CARES at the GPP hospital, and he thanked the Honourable Prime Minister Narendra Modi for providing all the required support to boost the health infrastructure of Tripura. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu arrived in Dimapur, Nagaland today. Following his arrival, he visited the Indian Council of Agricultural Research National Research Centre on Mithun at Medzifema in Dimapur. Later on, the Vice President will be meeting the Governor, Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and others. Mizoram Chief Electoral Officer P. Jawahar said that the efforts were on to remove names of those Bru voters from the voter list in Mizoram who have been allowed to resettle in Tripura. Top leaders of the NSC and NIAM, including Team Muiva, have reached Delhi to hold further talks with the centre to resolve the decade-old Naga political issue. The NSCN leaders are likely to meet former Intelligence Bureau Special Director Akshay Kumar Mishra and top Home Ministry officials. Secretary in the Ministry of External Affairs Riva Ganguly Das participated in India-Asian Business Summit and highlighted the potential of Asian-India cooperation in post-COVID-19 pandemic recovery. Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated 35 pressure swing absorption oxygen plants established under PM CARES across 35 states and union territories at AIIMS Rishikesh in Uttarakhand today. Uttar Pradesh government has deputed Pradeep Kumar Srivastav, a retired judge of the Allahabad High Court, to probe the October 3 Lakhimpur Kheri violence in which 9 persons lost their lives. The Judicial Commission will have its office in Lakhimpur Kheri and is required to submit its report within 2 months. A terrorist shot dead 2 non-Muslim school teachers who were employed at the government boys higher secondary school located at the Sangam Idgah, Sangam area of Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir at about 11:15 am today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has completed 20 years as the head of the government today. On this occasion, My Government India organized a Seva Samarpan quiz contest. Narendra Modi has often described himself as a Pradhan Sevak working for an Atmanirbhar Bharat. Union Home Minister Amit Shah chaired a high-level security meeting in New Delhi and discussed the overall security situation across the country, including Jammu and Kashmir and anti-drone strategy. Border Security Force Jammu recovered a huge cache of arms and ammunition that included the seizure of 4 pistols, 8 pistol magazines and 232 rounds. The BSF informed that Jammu foiled a weapon smuggling attempt from across the international border in the Samba area in Jammu and Kashmir. At least 20 people have died and more than 300 were injured after an earthquake of magnitude 5.9 on the Richter scale struck Balochistan province of Pakistan in the early hours today. The Dawn reported, citing the Provincial Disaster Management Authority. China's Shenzhou 13 manned spacecraft, which is set to fly astronauts to the National Tiangong Orbital Station, and the Long March 2F carrier rocket have been delivered to the Xinquan spaceport in the northwest. Electricité de France SA, one of the world's leading power sector companies headquartered in Paris, France, and NTPC Limited, India's largest energy integrated company, have signed a memorandum of understanding to explore potential power project development opportunities in the Middle East, Asia, Europe, and Africa. The Indian women's team of Manu Bhaker, Ridham Sangwan, and Namya Kapoor clinched a gold medal in the 25m pistol event to continue the country's domination at the ongoing International Shooting Sport Federation Junior World Championship at Lima in Peru. And today's Assam COVID-19 update: total positive cases 295, recovery rate 98.33%, and total death cases 8. That's the end of Top 20 News. Thank you for watching.